Whether or not the power will blow out of the socket for me, I really don't know. But today we're going to take a look at a great device that will help you get more control over your outlet, the smart portable sockets from Milesight. Today we're looking at the EU 16 amp version, and as you can already see on the side here, there's a whole lot you can do with it. So type B, type F, I, G, I for China, for Italy, Australia, UK. I don't know them all. Of course, we have the EU version here with the 2 prongs and the 16 amps. That also means, wait a minute, don't we usually have LoRaWAN sensors? Yes, this is actually a LoRaWAN sensor, and today I'll show you everything it can do. It also says here, if you want to read it clearly on the nice packaging, customize on and off settings based on time. So schedules are possible with this. Then I can control remotely whether the socket is on or off, and it even has a built-in protection feature so that my connected devices don't get damaged, and of course I can track and measure my energy consumption. Let's see what we get in the box. Inside the box itself, of course, is the smart plug. Elegant, just as it should be. Take a look at this. This device here, as mentioned, is the EU version. If we dig deeper, we don't find much. Unfortunately, it's not actually gold, but it's worth its weight in gold. Namely, the warranty card, and secondly, the quick start guide, which tells you what you need to do. In this case, the quick start guide is really quick. You just plug the thing in, install the app, then configure it, and you're ready to go. Let's take a look at what we get. The device is designed so that you can get started right away. Here, I can then pack in my plug. As I said, we also have a cable entry here. So it's not just the 2 wires, so phase and neutral, but we also have a ground wire in here. That's nice to see. Well done. Then there's a housing, which you can unscrew if necessary in case something happens. But I hope that won't be the case for you, because in most cases you won't even need this plug. But it's made for that. Plug. The button is there so that you can manually turn the device on and off at any time on site, so you don't always have to use an app. But you can use an app if you want. The NFC logo tells you that, and with it you can also set schedules. That means this thing even works without LoRaWAN, but of course it has an advantage. If I already have LoRaWAN and integrate it, I can control it through my management portal and also track my energy consumption. And honestly, this little compact device is so self-explanatory. Just plug it in, connect the plug, turn it on once, and I can use it. Yes, you get all of that when you buy it from us here in the box, in the 868 16 ampere EU version. And first of all, I want to say thank you for shopping with us and for always being here, even when I'm unboxing something as boring as a socket plug. Because actually, it's not boring at all. There's actually a lot packed into it. Personally, I think it's great. And I also think it's great that you always stay loyal to us. I'll say ciao with a V and see you next time.